HSM is always looking towards the future and embracing new challenges. Through sustainable technology development and innovation, we are setting new standards for roll-to-roll technology and leading the industry. Innovation meets experience. We believe that our small innovations are creating significant changes. As a frontrunner in the roll-to-roll industrial equipment sector, we focus on innovative machine design and manufacturing. HSM's roll-to-roll technology offers diverse applications across various industries, helping our customers produce high-quality products. Together, we are building a better future with our technological expertise and passion. Our roll-to-roll equipment is created through advanced technology and precise design. We thoroughly review every detail from equipment design to manufacturing and installation, ensuring that our customers can achieve the highest quality. Our technology demonstrates how we contribute to various industries, including plastic film, paper, and various industrial film production. Under the motto, "Our future is people," all our employees are dedicated and passionate in their roles. We continuously strive for innovative technology and the success of our customers, with our technology shining through their fingertips. HSM's roll-to-roll technology plays a vital role in various industries, not only in plastic films, but also in automotive, aerospace, construction, and more. Step by step, always improving. HSM.